Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to dropship the product on Etsy and how to make too much money on Etsy with easy method, because these methods work with me and other people I know, and I will show you the simple method to list the product on Etsy from Aliexpress with no issue, and Etsy never recognize that you are a dropshipper. First guys, you need to verify your account, your Etsy account, then your Aliexpress account. Then guys, when you verify both account, Aliexpress and Etsy, then I will show you the easy method to drop shipper the product from Aliexpress on Etsy. Then guys, make sure to finish this video. So let's get started. As you know guys, Etsy, it says only the handmade and vintage products. Then guys, first step, you need to go and find the vintage or handmade products on Aliexpress. And first go to Aliexpress, as you see guys, and tap on the search bar, for example, vintage ring for man or woman, for example. And guys, you need to, we didn't find, for example, vintage rings, for example this one. As you see guys, it's $23. It's too much because you are a beginner on Etsy and you want to make it your account grow up step by step. Then guys, go and tap, for example, cheaper one, this one, it's $2. As you see guys, when you find the vintage product that you want to sell on Etsy, then you need to download this picture. But there is one problem: you need to download it with no tags, and you need to add something, for example your name, shop name, or your name, for example, or anything, because when you add something on this picture, Etsy never recognize that you are a dropshipper. Then guys, go and download this image, all of them. When you finish downloading all this picture, then you need to edit it, for example this one, and you need to add something like the color, this, and you need to copy and save with adding the shop name or your name or something like that. Then when you download the picture, just go on Etsy. Then guys, on the top there is, on the toolbar on the top, there is shop manager. Then tap on shop manager to sell your product. As you see guys, this is the create a listing. It's mean to list a product to get more sales, and I guarantee this method work 100% because it's very easy and never Etsy recognize that you are a dropshipper. Then guys, you need to add photos. Then first guys, you need to go and add these photos that you have already downloaded on Aliexpress or any website that you downloaded. Then add a picture, download, for example this one. Then guys, you need to scroll down to adjust a thumbnail. You can choose the picture because you can add too much picture, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's maybe you can add more than 7 picture. Then guys, adjust at the thumbnail. Then guys, you can make it more bigger, or for example after the edit the picture, then hit on save. Then guys, as you see guys, it's very easy. Just make sure to follow these steps to make your account safe and unbanned. Then guys, scroll down. If you have the video, you can add it or not, it's not necessary. Then guys, scroll down to listen the results. First step guys, on the title. The title, it's very important guys, because it's maybe take your account banned. Then guys, first don't copy the title of this on Aliexpress, because maybe Etsy it will recognize you. Then guys, go on Etsy again, open Etsy. Then guys, on top on the search bar, on the top, vintage rings. Then guys, then you can find the similar product. For example, our product is this one. Then you need to find the same. For example, to copy the title. For example, scroll down on vintage rings, men, for men. For example, this one is the same. Then guys, you need to copy the link. Men's handmade rings, Turkish handmade silver, vintage men rings, Ottoman rings. For example, you can add this title and copy the title. Then go to on Etsy shop manager, then paste the title. Then you can add something like, for example, 2023, or you can add, for example, 100 or 1920 slash 2030. Then guys, the title, it's very important, because sometimes Etsy recognize that you are dropshipper when you copy the title of Aliexpress. Then guys, on the bottom there is about this listing, who made it. You can choose I did, it's me, I am who made this product, or a member of my shop. Then the second one, what is it, a finished product, or a supply tool to make things. Then go directly to made to order. Then guys, the category, you can add rings, Starbucks rings, or anything you want. The material, you can add the aluminum. For example, you can add or customize your product if you had, or you can add the material. You can go to Aliexpress and scroll to description, and you will find the material. The material is by blue and red zircon. It's from a zircon. Then go and this one, and go and the primary color, the green for it, or what's color, or gold. Then guys, scroll down to, it's not necessary band color, it's optional. All this, it's optional, it's not necessary. Then you need to scroll down, because when you add too much specific tools, it's maybe Etsy, it will recognize you. Then guys, scroll down to this topic, renewal option. It's automatic or manual. Then click on manual. It's physical or digital. Then always click on physical. Then guys, on description section, then if you want to add a description, it's very easy. Just go on Aliexpress, then you can copy this description, then you can paste it on Etsy, and you can add something, for example, it's original product. Then guys, scroll down, then you can put the price, then to finish the listing of your product. Then guys, the country of origin, the shipping service, then you can select all this section. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.